Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We're gonna be doing a Showdown, Throwdown, Concealer, Duke It Out wear test. These both claim to wear for 24 hours. We're talking a little Revlon, we're talking a little Maybelline. I'm gonna do a wear test, close-ups, the whole thing. I have kind of half of my makeup done. It's a weird, like I keep looking in the monitor and I'm like, oh, wow, you need some powder. Like we got some dark circles for sure. The eyes are done. It's kind of like uneven all over the place, but we're gonna kind of finish up the face and then I will be doing check-ins with you all. I am posting this on my birthday, you guys. So happy birthday to me. I do have a Halo promo as like a celebration. I will have details in the description box, but I wanted to give that a shout out in the beginning of this video that for Valentine's / my birthday, which is a big one. I'm not gonna stay there long because honestly, she's having a little bit of the like pre-birthday blues because I'm filming this before my actual birthday, but we're leading up to the birthday. It doesn't even matter what age. It's not even like just that. I am someone that always has gotten the birthday blues. Don't know why, just is a thing. I know I'm not alone. This is like a phenomenon. I do want to share with you guys the Halo deal is going to be a buy a bundle, get a something for free, which is something I'm actually about to make right here. I literally didn't have a fresh pack. I was going to open, like be all like sophisticated and everything. Ooh, my eyeshadow kind of matches. But I actually use my products. I legit use my products. So I'm going to make myself an immunity booster. This is a sugar-free immune support that tastes delicious, that is plant sweetened, has everything you need, antiviral, electrolytes, and just helps to boost your immune function. So you can get one of these full packs for free when you purchase any bundle. I just wanted to get that right straight in the beginning of the video. I'm gonna make this 3, 2, 1, hold please. Okay, only a little came out. I got some immune function. I'm gonna have to vacuum up later. Whoops. I will always put whatever liquid in the shaker first or the glass first so that you don't get like the gritties in the bottom. Do you know what I'm talking about? It just stirs or shakes so much better. I'm pretty aggressive when it comes to like the shakers, mixers. Like normally I will put this in a shaker and I'll just like literally like the little metal ball in there and like let everything get like smoothed out. Or when I do protein shakes, it's like the same thing. Like I don't want any of that like gritty at the bottom. I even do this at Starbucks. I've mentioned this in a video before where I'm like asked to put the stevia on the top and stir it in. It makes such a difference. It is the little things, you guys, the little things in life. Cheers. It honestly tastes so good. I don't drink this every day. Like you don't need to drink this every day, but it is refreshing. It tastes so sweet and there's no sugar in here. And it is just delicious. Will put a pep in your step, no caffeine or anything like that, but you feel that like energetic kind of like boost. I love this. Love, love, love. Let's get hyped up for concealer. Oh, we have a lash itch. There's a lash itching happening. Oh my gosh. If I don't set my face right away with powder, I get like foundation moves around on me. I guess I like use a lot of my facial muscles. This is why I don't do lives, because I trip over my words more than I would like to. Now you know, facial muscle. I really need to finish my makeup. My lash needs to be readjusted. It is threatening my life. I'm gonna scooch you guys closer. Okay, we're back. We are back. Hello, how are you? Let's chat for a moment. I kind of have a bad attitude today. I am gonna be doing vlog check-ins, so if my bad attitude stays, then we will get a full day of it. Okay, so first up, we are gonna go in with Revlon. This is ColorStay. This actually, if I had to place a bet, I would say ColorStay is gonna be the longer wearing formula because ColorStay foundation is literally legit like paint spackle. It is not moving. It is on there. To me, I cannot wear that for many days in a row. Like the OG formula is really good, but it kind of does stuff to my skin that I don't really like. It's similar, I would say, to Estee Lauder's Double Wear also is kind of a similar thing, but their ColorStay line is legendary. And I would, just because of the name, assume that this is going to be very, very long wearing. It says that it has caffeine and vitamin C. We like both of those here. This says it's a 5-in-1. It's going to erase, perfect, brighten, hydrate, and refresh. These are a lot of claims. I need to be refreshed and brightened and all the things. So let's go on in. I have a new mirror I'm working with. I'm going to turn it off just to show you. Okay, maybe we can see it a little bit better with it off, and then I'll turn the light back on. I have not used any powder on my face today. All right, I'm gonna go in with a foundation brush and just press this in. I guess there is a significant difference one side to the next, but to be honest, it's not giving as much coverage as, say, It's not giving as much coverage as Tarte Shape Tape or a more full coverage type of a product, which might be good for a more natural day to have something really more luminous, a little more lightweight that is also long wearing. I'm gonna just go tiny more. I feel sadly like this is already creasing just a little bit. Yikes. Granted, this has not been set. I will pat those creases down and set it with a powder, and we will see all day what ends up happening. I love filming these videos because it's like a little science experiment for me too, where it's like, okay, like what do we got going on? And today specifically, we're doing one side. So now we are taking the up to 30-hour wear new concealer from Maybelline. Now, Maybelline has long been a favorite of mine for concealer at the drugstore. So let's see what goes down with this side. Really unique applicator, you guys. Like it's a little bit, like it's very, very thin and presses down like a very thin layer of product. But it seems to have good coverage. Now I'm liking this side better. All right, the Revlon one, surprisingly, is giving like more coverage somehow. What the heck? Immediate thoughts, I don't really know how I'm feeling about either side, if I am just being like fully honest with you guys. This one on this side is kind of bunching a little bit already. And this side just didn't give as much coverage as I normally like. But we are already in it and we are going to continue this journey on. I know that my desire for a pretty full coverage concealer is not everybody's cup of tea. And so I do try to keep that in mind when I'm reviewing products. So we're just gonna roll with it, set this. This side, the Revlon side did set better. If you can see what I'm talking about, where you see more dark circle right here. Let me get super not attractive. Let's go there. I can see in the mirror right here. Let's turn this light completely off so you can see what I'm talking about. There's more purple here than there is on this side. This side looks a little more hydrated, a little bit smoother, a little more covered. And this side just looks a little purpley here still. It's collected kind of bunchy in the corner. So side by side, initially, I definitely am leaning toward the ColorStay, but I want to see how it wears. So I'm like trying to not smile because I'm like, that's going to crinkle it. Just have no expression at all and your concealer will look great. Please don't do that. I am totally joking. smile, laugh, embrace those lines. This is what powder is for, and finding a concealer that works is for. So I am going to finish up the rest of my face, and I will see you guys with a on-the-go close-up a few hours from now. I am struggling to find light, you guys. It is not that late in the day and it feels like it's already getting super dark outside. So I wanted to quickly, while there was still some natural, actual daylight, go next to a window and do a little bit of this, a little close up. I personally, gosh, I don't know which one I'm liking better. At first I was liking the Revlon. Now I'm kind of feeling like the Maybelline is somehow brighter. I'm like trying to look so hard that I'm looking cross-eyed in the camera. Hello. I don't know that I'm loving either of them. Yikes. But we'll have to wait until the end of the day to see the final verdict. If they last, like if this conceals me until like midnight, then I might be changing my mind. But right now I'm like, I could use some Catrice. I could use a little age rewind from Maybelline, just kind of my old favorites, which kind of is a bummer because I want to be in love with something like fresh and new and exciting. That is where we are at, to be continued. It's like 5 o'clock and it is dark out. Why, Washington? Why? Okay, can we find some light? Feeling all rough around the edges. Extreme close-up. I just ran up the stairs and I feel out of breath. Whew. You guys, I don't like either one. The Revlon side has creased to an extreme. I'm fairly certain a spider bit. Oh my gosh, this is not as it. This is a spider bite. You've got to be kidding me. Do you know the anxiety that this gives me? That something crawled on my face close to my eyeball and actually bit me. No, thank you. I'm not having it. Why? Oh my gosh. If you guys knew how many bugs we have in our home, I'm still out of breath. I'm doing some cardio tomorrow. The Maybelline side is faring much better at this point, but the day is not done. And I will check in with you guys in a few more hours. This is the I feel tired and like my makeup is worn down. But let's get really close to the camera close-up moment at the very, very, very bitter end of the day. Sadly, you guys, I have not done my normal boop, 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 where I smooth things out. Let me try and do that. Can we even? No, it is creased. This has been sadly a very crease formula over here and not enough pow over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and say that all of my typical holy grail type items for the under eye that I already use and love, I mentioned them briefly. Catrice has 2 great ones. Maybelline has some amazing, amazing concealer. The neutralizer is so fantastic. And then for higher end, Tarte Shape Tape, Hourglass, those are my go-tos. This is just not, this neither side. Oh my gosh, I feel so bad. Neither side is it. Let's zoom out. So if I'm leaning this way, we're fine. Or if I'm both sides are terrible is what we are gonna go ahead and say. Let's not hold back. Let's just go there. I'm not gonna be wearing either again. You guys are probably gonna be like, Tati, you're so hard on products. And I'm gonna be like, I know I am. And that's sometimes why you watch. So anyway, I'm in a mood at the end of the day. This is usually where it ends up, which is why you guys are like, do all day wear tests, like do them. Because you get to see a different version, a different side, a different element of me at the end of the day, I feel, where I'm just like, all right, let's get to the truth. I said what I said. I'm not going to wear either one of these again. And I find it funny, especially when it is advertised as like the longest wearing product out there, up to 30 hours, 24 hours. And it's like, yo, my like $5 Catrice is outperforming this. I'm just going to go ahead and say it. So there we have that. We're landing here. I want to remind you, on a good note, I will link below the halobeauty.com info. Go there if you want to get a free immunity booster. In celebration of my birthday, I am entering a brand new decade. Yay! So if you want to get yourself a free immunity booster, which I know you do, it tastes delicious, sugar-free. Let's keep the sugar low. Let's keep the taste high. Let's keep our immune function up. It's got all you need in the little packets mixed with water. I don't think they've gotten enough love. So we are gonna give away full-size free packs, like the full meal deal, when you purchase any bundle of your choosing. Go to halobeauty.com, check it out, and cheers to a new year. Happy Valentine's Day. Sorry we didn't find a winning product when it comes to concealer. We will continue on the mission. I have planned more full day wear tests very, very soon. So thumbs this video up if you enjoy those. Leave me your comments, subscribe, ring the bell, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.